Did Tesla do better today? What about the stock market? Let's take a look at all of that. Tesla, stock indices, gold, silver, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So Tesla is down $15.26. That's 3.4% down, closed at 433.72. Post-market, we are down a little bit more. So yesterday we had a great move after the earnings. The earnings that were a miss in terms of the analysts' expectations for the profits. But then Tesla had a great day. We opened lower. We opened significantly lower, but then we came back up. So we opened at 420.46. Remember that number? This is always the same numbers that are coming up all the time. 420.26 went up to almost 452.91 right here. So this is the congestion zone that we are in. So yesterday we had such a great move that we could have been thinking that we would have continued today. It did not happen. It's okay. We already were in profit because most of us on Discord got in yesterday in the morning. So we are in profit and we either sold close to resistance or like myself, I sold just a little bit lower than 440.13 just to give it chance to maybe continue a little bit higher today. But it did not happen, so it went very close to 452. Look at this. The high of the day was at 451.68 versus 452.91, so that's a $1.30. That's a $1.30 off of $450, so that's pretty good. So yeah, it did not happen. That's super fine. The money is in our pocket right now. So what we need to check now, it's the same thing as yesterday. If we break 452, this is going to be a bullish sign. If we break lower than 420.46, and we could give it a chance down to 410.25 because we have had a few touches at 410. The more touches we have at a certain number, the stronger the support is. So the biggest support is at 420.46. We still have a bit of support at 410.25. Yeah. Bearish here, bullish here. That's it, as simple as that. So we just have to wait. And we have other stocks that are starting to move. If you join our Discord server, we are talking about all of the other stocks right here. We are talking about 30 stocks. This is completely crazy. So you get 30 stocks. This is on Discord. Yeah, we don't have to rely on Tesla. There's other stuff that is moving. So we are perfectly happy with that. Let's take a look at the VIX. Fantastic. VIX down 0.93. We are at 16. So this is what I wanted. I wanted the VIX lower than 1739. We have that. Cannot be much more happier. Dow Jones, look at this. We have been trying to break that 47,000 for a long time. But recently, we have been trying to break it. It has been broken today. That's a significant event. If it had not happened on a Friday, I believe things would have launched like crazy. SPX, same thing. Could not break 67.51. Boom, 67.41 launching. QQQ, same thing. 613 launching. NASDAQ, cannot make this up. 25,222 launching. So things are launching. Yes, it's only one candle. Yes, it's possible that it comes back, but we are making new ground. We are breaking some new frontiers. This is fantastic. Let's take a look at gold and silver. Gold, not that much. So we have lost stochastic over 60. Any impulse up is going to be met with a lot of skepticism. Silver, the same thing. So don't touch gold and silver anymore. Yes, they are bouncing on support. If support holds, that's good. But because we don't have stochastic, they should be going down. Bitcoin, so finally, Bitcoin is starting to move a little bit higher. So as of now, we are at 111 even. So this is better than 106 at the beginning of the week. We are happy about this. Ethereum, also a little bit higher. We are above support at 38.19. So we love this. And BMNR is recovering a little bit. It had a big move down recently, a significant move down. So now it's recovering a little bit. As if this was not enough, we have had some great news this morning. Core inflation rate month over month, year over year, and inflation rate Forecast 0.3, we got 0.2. This is great. Forecast 3, we got 3. Forecast 0.4, we got 0.3. That's good. And forecast 3, we got 3. So inflation is cooling down. This is increasing the already high chance that Powell is going to lower the interest rate. I think this is happening next week. This is happening next week. Yeah, this is happening October 29th. Fed rate decision right here. So we should be getting another cut. And then what we expect is that everything is going to go higher, but we are going to see it as it happens. And we should be seeing other stocks. I don't know which other stocks they could be, but some other stocks could be breaking some resistance also. Oh, I don't know. Which other stocks are you talking about? I don't know. Things are looking very good. We don't take anything for granted. We don't control the stock market. We can only observe and see breaks in current trends. When there is a break in trend, we can take action. And this is what we do. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. We trade Tesla on the 1 hour chart. So we only have to look at it once an hour. But we look at 30 other stocks on the daily chart where we only have to look at those once a day. So it's a very calm Discord server. We don't need to get excited. A lioness that wants to catch an antelope is not all excited. No, she just waits. Patiently waits until her trigger happens. This is what we are doing. We are watching our trigger. And when it happens, we share what we are going to do about it. Oh, I'm going to do some options at this expiry date. Oh, I'm going to do some options at this strike price. Oh, I'm going to get some stocks. I'm going to get this. I'm going to get that. So we are sharing our investing and trading strategies amongst ourselves. So this is great. And we keep our emotions calm and we focus on what's in front of us. So if you want to join, become a member at the private Discord level to get in. So I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member, in which case we are also going to talk on Sunday for my Tesla Weekly Live. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.